What is a permeable building envelope for natural airflow? Imagine a home that breathes with the wind, staying fresh without constantly running the air conditioner or heater. That's what a permeable building envelope can do for you. It's a smart way to design homes that use natural forces to keep indoor air clean and comfortable. A permeable building envelope is the outer shell of a building, like walls, roofs, windows, and doors, that allows air and moisture vapor to pass through it in a controlled way. Instead of being completely airtight, it has tiny openings or uses special materials that let outdoor air enter and indoor air exit naturally. This setup uses wind pressure and temperature differences to move air through the house without mechanical fans or vents. In sustainable home design, this approach helps reduce energy use because it relies on natural airflow instead of electric fans or air conditioning. It also improves indoor air quality by bringing in fresh air and letting out stale air and moisture. The key is balancing airflow with protection from unwanted heat loss, moisture damage, and drafts. Air permeability measures how much air can pass through the building envelope when there is a pressure difference. The higher the permeability, the more natural ventilation you can get. But too much can cause heat to escape and increase energy costs. Vapor permeability is about how well moisture vapor can diffuse through the walls, helping prevent mold and condensation inside the walls. Natural airflow is driven by pressure differences caused by wind and temperature differences between inside and outside. When wind hits the building, it creates pressure that pushes air through openings. Warm air inside rises, creating a stack effect that pulls cooler air in from lower openings. To make this work well, the building needs connected pathways, like operable windows, vents, or permeable materials that allow air to flow smoothly. In practical terms, using permeable materials such as breathable membranes in wall assemblies helps moisture escape while limiting uncontrolled air leaks. Designing windows and vents in strategic locations can harness prevailing winds and the stack effect for passive cooling and fresh air. It's also important to balance permeability with airtightness in certain areas to prevent excessive heat loss. Considering the climate and building orientation helps optimize airflow patterns. For example, placing openings on the side facing the wind or in the direction of prevailing breezes can maximize natural ventilation. In wood frame construction, permeable envelopes allow moisture that enters the walls to dry out, preventing decay and damage over time. Overall, a permeable building envelope is a deliberate choice to support passive ventilation. It allows controlled movement of air and moisture through the building shell, reducing reliance on mechanical systems, boosting comfort, and making homes more sustainable. This approach works best when carefully planned to match local weather conditions and the specific needs of the home.